This is Pismo Beach and the marine layer. What an impact it has had yet again today. However, a little bit of warming at the coast today, cooler inland, but the trend for all of us is going to be up. High pressure is returning. Be on KSBY, Wesley Frame's view of the sunrise this morning. Love that. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, get your pictures posted. I think we're going to have a nice sunset tonight as well. We do have some showers across the Sierra Nevada today. Nothing big, but again, up at that elevation, you get that interaction of the warm heating of the landmass and some cooler air aloft. But for us, it's just a lot of marine layer in at the coastline. There you can see starting to press back into the coastal valleys already. And you can see that reflected on the temperatures as well. 68 in Santa Barbara, 65 Gaviota, 79 Solvang, 69 Santa Maria, 68 in San Luis with winds out of the northwest 5, 12 mile per hour winds in Santa Maria. And in Paso Robles, 75, but there's a south wind of 20 miles per hour. That's pulling us off the peaks of heat today. 75 Santa Barbara, so mild there today. Santa Ynez, 81. 94 for us in Cuyama today. Goleta, 72 and 66 in Morro Bay. 84 in Paso Robles, 67 Pismo. San Luis, 75, 76 in Santa Maria, and 70 in Lompoc. So here's the weather pattern, what's happening right now. High pressure is starting to push into the area, so that's going to start to crank up the winds a little, I think more so on Friday than Thursday. And what's going to be interesting about the wind pattern, it'll be fairly strong offshore flow Friday night into Saturday morning and then back onshore in the afternoon. So I like a temperature peak and then come off that peak rather quickly. You can see high pressure here on the 7-day outlook. So Paso Robles already jumping to 95 tomorrow, triple digits on Friday and Saturday, still 95 Sunday. We get back to around normal on Monday and then a little bit cooler than average on Tuesday and Wednesday. In Santa Maria, this is an interesting thing. If you look back at the last 47 years, falls are warmer than they used to be. So this is a look at average temperature. It used to be about 59 degrees, and now it's a little over 62 degrees. There's some variability, but the trend is unmistakable. So fall weather, definitely a little bit different. Gordon now is just a tropical depression after putting a lot of rainfall down in Alabama and Florida and Louisiana. So it continues to drift into Arkansas here, and it'll continue to weaken into Friday. But 11 inches of rain at Pensacola, and additional rain could be up to 3 inches of rain near Yazoo City, if you know about Yazoo City. So Norman, by the way, out here near Hawaii is a Category 3 hurricane. Olivia is down to Category 2. Norman is still drifting west, but should turn north and not threaten the islands. Olivia will continue to weaken as it moves off to the west. So for us, we've got this trough of low pressure in the Pacific Northwest, but this ridge is pumping up, and that's going to be the winner. That's going to provide more high pressure, sinking air, warming conditions. So here's the forecast. Again, already back up to 95 in Paso Robles tomorrow, 79 San Luis, and 80 in Santa Barbara, 74 in Santa Maria. 87 Santa Ynez, 93 Cuyama, 80 in Carpinteria, 5 cities, 67 Pismo, 73 in AG. North Coast, 68 Cayucas, 94 Tascadero. There's the extended forecast. The trend is up. Again, it's kind of subtle across Santa Barbara County, but, nearly 90 Saturday. I don't know how subtle that is for Santa Barbara. Paso Robles triple digits back, and San Luis Obispo temperatures near 90 on Friday and Saturday.